All right, sis, so if I'm looking at section A, question 2. Okay, so we have questions like -6 plus -8. Okay. The first thing I think about is this part of the question. So when I'm adding a negative number. If I consider numbers on a number line, alright, and here is my 0. And these are my positive numbers. 5. And these are my negative numbers. -3, -4, -5, etc. When I consider about my negative numbers, I consider them to move this way. So it doesn't matter whether my starting point here, my starting point is a negative or a positive. If I'm adding a negative number, then I'm going to be moving left along a number line. Okay? Okay, so if I consider the sum -6 plus -8, so my starting number is -6. Now, because I am adding a negative number, I'm going to go this way along my number line. So I'm going to count back, I'm going to add 8 to it. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I add up at -14. So -6 plus -8 is -14. Okay? Okay, so now if I consider a sum such as 4, sorry, just going to grab my pen, 4 plus, that's a 4, sorry, 4 plus -7. Okay, so because I'm adding a negative number, I'm going to go that way along the number line. So think about my number line. Here's my 0. Here's my 1, my 2, my 3, my 4. So this is my starting number, 4, plus -7. -1, -2, -3, -4. So let's go back 7. So I'm going to go this way because I'm taking -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, Mrs. Wasp, I did that wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I end up at -3. Okay, the difference between 7 and 4 is 3. So it's going to be -3. Okay. So, let's do another one because that one was terrible. So what happens though if I add -6 plus 6? This time I'm adding a positive number. It's not a negative. Even though I'm starting from a negative, I'm adding a positive. So I'm going to go this way along the number line. So if I start at -6 on a number line, here's my 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. I'm going to add 6, so I'm going this way because it's a positive number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So because I've moved forward 6 spaces, it's taken me to 0. So the answer for that is 0. Okay, so what happens if I have a question like this? 1 plus -4 plus 3. Okay, so I'm going to go that way along the number line, then I'm going to go back that way along the number line. So I'm going to start at 1. There's my 0, I'm going to start at 1. There's -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. I'm going to go first, back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The difference between 1 and 4 is 3, so I'm back at -3. -3 now, plus 3, so I have to go back this way. 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 0. That's how I work those out.